Have you ever stood in your kitchen with a bag of edamame in your hand, wondering how long it actually takes to cook? It looks so simple, but if you're not sure about the timing, you might end up with beans that are either too hard and chewy or too soft and mushy. The truth is, edamame doesn't need much time at all. In fact, it's one of the fastest snacks or side dishes you can prepare, which is probably why it's loved by so many people around the world. Edamame, in case you're new to it, are young soybeans still in their pods. They're usually sold frozen, which makes them super convenient. Because they're already blanched before packaging, you don't need to cook them for long, just enough to heat them through and bring out their natural sweetness. If you're boiling them, you only need about 3 to 5 minutes in a pot of salted water. That's it. Any longer than that, and the beans can lose their firmness and fresh flavor. You'll know they're done when the pods turn a brighter green and give off that slightly nutty, delicious aroma. If you prefer steaming, the process is just as quick. Place the pods in a steamer basket over boiling water, cover, and let them steam for about 5 minutes. Microwaving works too. Just toss them in a microwave-safe bowl with a splash of water, cover it with a damp paper towel, and heat for around 2 to 3 minutes. However you choose, the key thing to remember is that edamame cooks fast, so it's better to check a little early rather than let it sit too long. The beauty of edamame is in its simplicity. Once cooked, sprinkle the pods with sea salt, toss them with garlic, chili flakes, or even a drizzle of sesame oil, and you've got yourself a snack that's not only tasty, but packed with protein, fiber, and all those nutrients your body loves. The short cooking time means it's perfect for busy days when you need something quick, healthy, and satisfying. So the next time you're about to cook edamame, remember this. 3 to 5 minutes is all it takes to turn those frozen green pods into a warm, savory, and delicious treat. Anything more, and you risk losing the texture and flavor that makes edamame so enjoyable. Quick, easy, and foolproof, just the way a good snack should be.